Have you ever listened to a PTE Retell lecture and thought, what on earth did I just hear? Don't worry, you're not alone. Most students make the same mistake. They try to remember every single detail from the lecture. The problem is that PTE is not testing your memory. It's testing your ability to understand and communicate key information. Today, I'm going to show you a simple method that can help you score higher in Retell lecture without stressing about every word. Let's start with the biggest myth. Many students think they need to repeat the lecture perfectly. That's impossible. Even native speakers can't remember a 1-minute lecture word for word. Instead, focus on capturing the main idea and a few supporting points. Think about it like this. Imagine your friend watched a 3-hour movie and you asked, "What was it about?" You wouldn't expect them to repeat every scene. You'd expect them to tell you the main story. That's exactly what PTE wants. Now here's the first hack. While listening, don't try to write complete sentences. Write keywords only. For example, if the lecture is about climate change, your notes might look like this. Climate change, rising temperature, human activities, pollution, renewable energy, future impact. That's enough. Your notes should help your memory, not become an essay. The second hack is to use a simple template. A good template could be: the lecture was mainly about the topic. The speaker discussed point 1. Furthermore, the lecture explained point 2. In addition, it highlighted point 3. Overall, the lecture emphasized main idea. Why is this powerful? Because even if you miss some information, you still sound organized and fluent. And remember, fluency scores matter. Now let's talk about a mistake that destroys many scores. Students stop speaking when they forget something. Never do that. Imagine you're driving and miss one turn. You don't stop the car and cry. You simply continue driving. Do the same in Retell lecture. If you forget a point, move to the next one immediately. The computer rewards continuous speaking much more than long pauses. Here's a fun example. Let's say the lecture is about penguins. You remember only 3 things: penguins, Antarctica, swimming. That's okay. You can say, the lecture was mainly about penguins. The speaker discussed their habitat in Antarctica. Furthermore, the lecture explained their swimming abilities. Overall, the lecture highlighted important information about penguins and their lifestyle. Will it be perfect? No. Will it be better than staying silent for 20 seconds? Absolutely. Now for the third hack. Pay special attention to the beginning and the end of the lecture. The beginning usually introduces the topic. The ending often contains the conclusion. These 2 parts alone can help you understand the overall message, even if you miss some details in the middle. Think of a burger. The top bun and bottom bun hold everything together. In Retell lecture, the introduction and conclusion do the same thing. Another useful tip is to practice summarizing everyday content. Watch a 1-minute YouTube video, listen to a podcast, or even hear a news report. After listening, challenge yourself to explain it in 30 seconds. This trains the exact skill that PTE wants. Finally, remember this. Retell lecture is not a memory competition. It's a communication task. Focus on understanding the main idea, taking smart notes, using a simple template, and speaking continuously. If you do these 4 things consistently, your score can improve significantly. So the next time you face a Retell lecture, don't panic. Listen for the topic, write keywords, use your template, keep speaking, and trust the process. Good luck with your PTE preparation, and I'll see you in the next lesson.